Well, top of the morning, everybody. It's Jake here. I guess I've come to say hi. It's been a while. In short, it's been really busy, rewarding, fun, and hard at the same time. All the traits of life. Still running, heart's still going good. Just stoked to be here. I don't know, I hate to say it's a vlog. I'm not an influencer. I'm none of those things. The purpose of this really is to make something for me to look back on, right? And to cherish as a memory. And by the way, this didn't come with a New Year's resolution or anything. Oh, it's steepening up, all right, look at this. Oh. All right, here we go. Anyways, enough talk. It's our last climb right here, or this section. I think we're on mile 5, about 15 of 16, we'll see. Oh, tacky, oh, gross. Woo-wee. Beautiful. Ah, once again, just so nice to be out here. And it feels nice to just let it rip, to talk. We're on mile like 6, around there. We're gonna drop down here. We're gonna make it a little loop. It's called China Flats over here. So come down this trail. We're gonna make a big loop all the way around town. Link back up with it. Come down. And we'll shoot back down to home. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but we got a little coyote over there. Section right here, maybe you can see him jogging away. Okay guys, long story short, my battery's gonna die. Still on the loop around China Flats, so we'll probably finish around 15 miles today. Oh, well, good evening. This is Yukon Cornelius. How you doing? Gorgeous morning out today. It is green, green, green. We're just on our way down to the beach right now. Found this really cool waterfall that I passed by that I'll stop by on the way back. But yeah, it is ridiculous out right now. And just kind of the calm between storms. We're supposed to get another storm coming in tomorrow. So I'm gonna go down to the beach, practice the dig a little bit. We're just kind of filming things and seeing where we end up. So just like a lot of aspects of life. Okay, well, long time no see. My backpack here full of all sorts of goodies, including my camera, my dig right here. Got my keys, sunflower seeds. I think we're ready to go. So let's get this thing going. I'll give you one more rip and I'll let you go because my battery's like about to die. It's been probably a month or so, yeah. I actually don't run for training, I just did. Welcome back. All right, so I just got off the phone with my buddy Evan here, and we got some cool things that are in the works. Yeah, here we are. You probably saw me practice some dig there a second ago. I've got the old Sheila out today, working on the circular breathing and all that stuff. It's improving, but I haven't practiced in about a month, so it's you know, it's a little shaky. Alright guys, so we are en route to that little waterfall that I wanted to show you guys. Much looking forward to washing my face in this waterfall. There it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna shut her off. Okay, we're gonna go walk over there. I'll take my camera and stuff and we'll take some shots of it. Right, so whoa. I've got the camera in the bag. Yeah, that's definitely tacky. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I jinxed it. Oh god, Jake, what are you getting yourself into, man? Get my shoe out here. I think I lost my shoe. Okay. Let's get it out of there. Well, and I guess we should go home. At least I got one sandal. Oh, snap. Well, guys, it's never that easy, you know? Okay. Well, time to go home with the tail between our legs, and yeah, I'm gonna finish my drive in the canyons on the way home. And I'll either see you tomorrow or sometime soon for the rest of this January monthly recap. All right, so yeah, catch you guys later. You. Alright guys, welcome to the Jake Shirt Cam. And make sure the area is clear. It's good. Okay. We're cooking with steam now, ladies and gentlemen. So let's do this. Let's gain some altitude. Need a little bit more altitude. Yeah, that's the shot we're looking for. Go a little bit to the right now. Comes the fun part. There she is. You know, I haven't really been filming that much in the past like couple years, so I've just been busy with work and getting kind of established with everything, so it just feels good to get out there and just start doing it again, you know, that's all. Yeah, that's the whole point of this whole thing, right? It's just to try to film something every day, every other day. You know, if we can do it every day, then that'd be great. But yeah, just to get out there and just have some fun. You know, that's all. You just get like that silky green, you know? Oh, it's gorgeous. It's not looking too great. I'm not really digging the light right now. Even though the light's perfect, it's just not in the right area. I think the sun's kind of setting quick here, so I'm not sure if I want to continue. I think I know another spot in mind. All right, so I think I just found the spot here. This is where we filmed actually the intro to the long run over here on this road. That lush green. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, it's happening right now. Usually when I get that feeling, if I like, you know, go past a place where it just looks so good, I have to stop. So we're gonna take some shots here and we're gonna see how those turn out. Yeah. Check this out. Gosh, it's popping. So the idea of this shot is to get this little windmill right here with the sun. I'm gonna have a nice sun flare right there, and I'm gonna have this tree in the foreground, this oak tree, and have it kind of silhouetted. It's gonna look real nice, I think. So I think I'm pretty happy with some of these here. What gets me is like just being out here and seeing this, knowing that, you know, if it doesn't really work out, it's okay. It was just worth the experience. You know, it's always worth the stoke. Hung around here a little bit, got some good shots over here, not too bad. I'll throw them up on the screen there. That's not too bad. The lighting is incredible. I went a little bit further down the road there, and I got some of these. They're pretty close up, but you can just really see that gold in them. I don't know if I like it a lot, but I don't know. You know, like I said, it's just about getting some of these shots and just having some fun. But some of the ones in the beginning that I was showing you are pretty good. They're pretty crispy. So I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Woo! We just lost the sun on the horizon there, but just look how beautiful this area is. So this is called Rancho Potrero Park, if any of you guys want to know. 99% of you guys are probably my friends, so you know exactly where I am, but it's pretty beautiful. I'm gonna continue. I think I'm gonna actually head back in my car and continue on home to make it for dinner, but otherwise, like, that's it, you know? This is what we're here for, right? Having kind of like a multifaceted, rich life, and this is what it's all about. every day mixing it up, getting what you love to do in, and kind of being lazy a little bit earlier today, just hanging out at home and stuff, being hungry as usual. Once you just drag yourself outside, it's always worth it. Head home, get some grub, and then I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. So if I don't see any of you guys in the next couple days, I will be in Mexico for the first trip, and then we'll be back to Dallas for the second trip. So that's where we'll be. So yeah, multifaceted life, right? That's what it's all about. So fun. Thanks for coming along, and this is fun. I kind of like this. Anyway, all right. Catch you guys later. You.